Hi, I'm Bridget from E-Cloth, and today I'm going to show you how to use the toy and nursery cloth. I brought all these toys up from the playroom and I have to clean them today. Basically, all you do is wet this cloth to activate it with water. There are no cleaning solutions necessary when you clean with E-Cloth. The last thing you want is any type of cleaning solution being sprayed on toys where my child is going to take this toy and put it in their mouth. And now that the cloth is wet, I know that it'll remove 99% of bacteria from the surface of the toy. And the other really great thing about this cloth is because the fibers are so long and so plush, it gets in all the nooks and crannies of the toy. Whereas if you used a paper towel or a cotton cloth, you would never ever get into those nooks and crannies. So I'm cleaning this nice rattle, and now I have all these toys that have to clean so I can bring them back to the playroom and feel really good about the fact that I've used only water to clean all the surfaces of the toys, and then I know there's no cleaning solution buildup whatsoever on these toys. And I'm cleaning very effectively. After you've used your E-Cloth to clean a surface, you always want to rinse the cloth out really well under the faucet. And the reason for that is our E-Cloths are very good at getting up dirt and grime, better than anything you've ever used before. So you want to agitate the cloth a little bit and then rinse the cloth out with warm water. After I'm done with that, I usually take the cloth and drape it over my faucet. But you can put it out to dry wherever you'd like in your kitchen. And then when you need it again, you just take it back out, you wet it to activate the cloth, and then you clean. And then after you've used the cloth a few times, you want to throw it in the washing machine. Regular detergent is absolutely fine. Just no bleach, no fabric softener. The hotter the water, the better. And then after I've done that, I throw it in the dryer. No dryer sheets either. And then your cloth is good to go the next time you need to clean. So please like and subscribe and comment below so you can tell us what you like about E-Cloth.